Alright, just let me explain what happened here in the past few weeks. As you know, the machine was out of order because of the lack of the transformer, the encoder cable, and why the motor was bad. If you followed my videos, you have seen I repaired the Y servo, and I had here 24 volt power supplies. The original one looks like this one. This is the original power supply. Two of them was bad. I had to change them, and I had a shortcut in the 24 volt system. It took me some days to figure out where is this, and that was here. This cable was shorted. This is the kind of switch here, and the other issue was here. The graphic operator panel was total black. There was no power. Behind this monitor there's a graphic operator panel, and there is a integrated circuit which is the power supply, and this makes the 5 volt for the processor and the memories, and 12 volt for the card, and that was bad. I had to change it, and then as you can see, the servo is installed. The issue with this was the encoder. As I told you, I had to position the position of the encoder to align. And now if I go to jog, I'm in jog mode, and I am at 150, and I push the Y, and it works nice. Actually the power is the same current as at the Y, and the Y, this is the Y, and same current as the X. The X moving is nice. I go to the hand wheel, and I choose the Y and 100 and something, and you can see I can move it very nicely. This is the 10, barely seen, and I have one plus, and the X same, and actually I can move the Z too. It works nice. I have one more issue. I need to adjust the zero position of the Y-axis, and after this it might be I have to adjust the this one, I guess, because the zero position is not yet established, and if you look it, this is not okay. I need to adjust it. This is okay, and the C is actually this one. I have to make the origin set too for this. After this, I guess the machine will be full functioning. I'm very happy because it was a big journey to repair these parts. Actually, I guess the encoder is bad, and that's why I bought other encoder. But the original encoder was good too. So thank you for watching. Please follow me to the next episode, and have a good day. Goodbye.